So when you want to graph data and find a math model, and there's more than one set of data, you can do them both on the same chart. You just need to make sure the first column is your x values, and then each column after that is a different set of y values. So I'm going to highlight this, including the titles. I'm going to go to Insert Chart. Over here on the right, I'm going to make sure we have a scatter chart. And if you look here on the x-axis, we have the weight. And on the y-axis, we have the friction force for the rough side and the friction force for the smooth side. And you can see both those trend lines are showing up. Okay? So to finish your graph, you're going to go to Customize. Titles I'm going to leave up to you because you know how to do that. The thing that's different is when you go to Series, the first thing you see, it says Apply to All Series. You do not want to do that. You want to choose one of them. So I'll choose, for example, the rough side. That will select the rough side, and then I can scroll down and add a trend line to that set of data. I can go down to Label and use the equation to find the slope of that set of data, and I can then say use custom and make a custom equation for that set of data. So the friction force equals 0.65 times the weight, F sub g. And you'll see that math model shows up right here for the blue data, the rough side. Then you go back up here right below series, and when it said friction force rough, you now select friction force smooth. That chooses the other series, the other set of data, and you can add a trend line to the red set, and you can get the slope of the red set using the equation. It's 0.278, and then you can write the equation for the smooth side. So F sub F, the friction force equals 0.278 times F sub G, for example. And then you'll see up here, you've got a legend. The blue dots are the friction force. The blue line is the math model. The red dots are the friction force for the smooth side, and the pink line is the equation in the math model for the pink set of data. And then you can add your conclusion and your title. Make sure you put a label on this axis over here. One does not show up automatically when you have more than one set of data. And then do all the things you're supposed to do on your checklist, and then you'll be able to turn that in.